Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you friends how to check in on Southwest app. So guys, this is the same thing on the app or website. Just go to this website, southwest/air/check-in. From here, write your required information. For example, below to check in, write confirmation codes, confirmation this one, and write your first name and last name and enter your all this passenger information, guys. For example, your confirmation codes. Write this confirmation code or tracking code you will get after purchase your tickets. Write for your codes and just click a check-in option. This is how you can do, guys. This is the same on the app, guys, or mobile. The same thing, guys. Just download the app and go to check-in section for check your flight ticket. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you another video.